What is the Home Business Academy for? Every review talks about commission. Not as many walk you through exactly what you're buying when you join. There are 4 products, and one of them has nothing to do with making money online. The number one goal of the Home Business Academy is to help people create residual income in a way that's simple, honest, and doesn't change the rules on you or disappear overnight, so your income vanishes with it. So yeah, the first thing you can use it for is to build a residual income stream. But here's how that actually works. In order to build residual income, you have to offer products that people find genuinely useful, valuable enough that they keep using them month after month after month. That's where the product line comes from. There are 4 products. You can buy any one of them individually, or you can buy all 4. 3 are recurring, 1 is a one-time purchase. Let me walk you through all 4. The first one, LetsGoal. It's a personal growth app. Think of it like a life compass that you can carry around in your hand. Goals, tasks, morning routine, journaling, vision board, and a bunch of other tools designed to help you grow yourself and your family on a daily basis. When I was living in a trailer house, a multimillionaire from Idaho named Jim Rohn said, "Work harder on yourself than you do on your job." This app is built around that idea. Second product, HBA Funnel Builder. For any business to succeed online, you need a way to capture leads and turn those leads into customers. You need a website. The Funnel Builder lets customers create traditional websites, lead capture pages, landing pages, order checkout pages, appointment booking pages, all the infrastructure you actually need to sell something on the internet. Okay, so now you got a website, but a website without conversions is just a digital brochure. HBA Premium is how we've sold over $10 million worth of products online. Training and daily coaching plus tools that make attracting leads and converting them into customers as simple as possible. Product 4, the Financial Literacy Academy. This is the one that has nothing to do with making money online. I'm so thankful that I was able to retire in my early 40s, but that didn't happen by accident. I had great mentors who taught me about money, how to get out of debt, how to reinvest into income-producing assets, how to think about wealth long-term. The goal of this product is to help people see the financial world clearly so they can make smart choices and eventually build up enough passive income from assets that they never have to have a job or a business again. So to recap, what is the Home Business Academy actually for? You can use it to grow an extra residual income stream through the affiliate program. You can use it to grow yourself personally with LetsGoal. You can use it to grow an existing business with the Funnel Builder and HBA Premium. And you can also use it to grow your wealth with the Financial Literacy Academy. 4 products, each one solves a different problem. And now you know exactly what the Home Business Academy is for. Now you might wonder why so many people are so excited about the affiliate program and spend most of their time talking about that. It's because when a customer buys all 3 of our monthly recurring products, you can earn $128 residual for every customer referral. We also recently created a done-for-you sales system that handles the selling for you, and people really seem to love that too. If you'd like to learn more about HBA, our sales system, or any of the products I mentioned in this video, go to onlinegoldrush.com and check out the full breakdown. I've also included the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and whatever you do, always go for your dreams.